Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Next.js typography with Next/font easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Next.js typography with Next/font, start by creating a new Next.js project. Open your terminal and run the command npx create next app at latest your project name. Navigate to your new project directory using cd your project name. Now, let's install the Next/font package. Run the command npm install Next/font. Next, open the pages/_app.js file in your project. Import the font you want to use from the Next/font package. For example, you can import inter by adding import inter from Next/font/Google. Call the imported font function by adding const inter equals inter subsets Latin. Now, wrap your main component with the font class. In the return statement, add a class name to your main div as follows: classname equals inter.classname. You can now customize your typography styles. Open the global CSS file located at styles/globals.css. Here, you can add additional styles as needed for your typography. Save all your changes and return to your terminal. Run your application using the command npm run dev. Open your browser and go to http://localhost 3000. You should see your Next.js app with the new typography enabled. That's it. You've successfully enabled typography in your Next.js project using Next/font. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.